Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix front camera not working on iPhone X, iPhone XR, iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. If your iPhone X series front camera is not working after update iOS 17, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is quiet the camera app. If your app is open, simply quiet the camera app and reopen it and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone X, XR, XS and XS Max. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 10 to 20 seconds. When your iPhone is complete rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. If you are using iPhone case, simply remove the iPhone case and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is clean camera lens. Clean camera lens from dirt and dubs and remove the glass protector and every other accessories and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is upgrade iOS version. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If you are using beta version, simply downgrade or upgrade your iPhone with official version and fix your camera problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset all settings. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working on your iPhone, simply erase all content and settings. Tap on settings app, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings, continue, enter your iPhone passcode, erase iPhone, back up your iPhone before fixing and erase your iPhone and set up your iPhone and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is resolve iPhone with restore your iPhone with iTunes and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply visit nearest Apple store and authorized dealer and check your hardware problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone X, XR, XS and XS Max camera not working after iOS 17 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.